You think your pony's gonna like this?
Yeah. Watch. I had to pull her down and see the slide down.
No, I bet.
You can't wait.
I can't wait.
Now, come on, put it down.
Whoa!
See that?
That was great.
Can we pull her up the slide? See the, oh, you watch this. I got her. I almost got her. And see this slide backwards either.
Backwards?
Yeah, that's gonna be funny. You can't wait to see, Daddy. Watch.
Whoa!
See that?
I did.
That was so cool, so cool. Let me do this again. Watch this. Angry T-Rex. Come and get this. Cool. And show her your show and tell. And Spider-Man. Like Spider-Man, Daddy?
Yeah,
It's one of your favorite shows.
I know.
Woo! Yeah.
Whoa!
Did you see that? You try, Daddy.
Me?